Hello everyone, welcome back to Garden Vibes. I hope all of you are doing great. Guess what? I got some interesting news to share. Can you figure out where we are? That's right, we are in Bangkok. We recently moved here because of my husband's job, and it's the beginning of whole new chapter in our lives. I'm sure guys you are wondering about my plans back in Bangalore. Well, you can't take plants on international flights. Therefore, with very mindful decision, we found loving plant parents around us in Bangalore, and I'm sure they will care for my plants. But guys, Bangalore will always hold special place in our hearts. It's where the Garden Vibes journey started. Now we are excited to start our new chapter in Bangkok, and I am eager to explore the beautiful world of tropical plants. Luckily, Bangkok's weather is similar to India's, hot and humid, just like Mumbai. And Bangkok have an amazing variety of tropical plants that thrive well as house plants. Tropical plants come from lush rainforest and do well indoors. Typically, plants like philodendrons, monsteras, peace lilies, orchids, ferns, and anthuriums. Over the past couple of months, I have been working on creating our green paradise from scratch in our new home, and I have started by getting some plants from the nursery. One interesting thing, especially for plant lovers, Bangkok have an unique plant market known as Chatuchak Market. It's heaven for plant lovers. You will get to see an incredible collection of rare plants. Stay tuned, I will be making special video about my visit to this amazing plant market. Alright, coming to my recent plant shopping, I'm really excited about them and I can't wait to show you. Let's check them out first. Okay, first we have this stunning Monstera deliciosa here. Its lush tropical leaves are absolutely gorgeous, and if you are following me for a long time, then you should know that I'm a big fan of this plant. This plant instantly adds touch of jungle vibes to any space, and my garden would be incomplete without this plant. It's my all-time favorite plant. Now we have Raven Zizi here. Because of its black leaves, it is known as Raven Zizi. See, it's entirely black and looks like an artificial plant. This is new leaf which is in light green color. It is an incredible low maintenance plant. It can thrive in any low light conditions, especially in room corners where you don't get much light. So if you are looking for unique but easy to care for plant, then you must grow this plant. Next we have this incredible plant, Monstera Thai Constellation. Just look at those marble variegated huge leaves. It's like having piece of art in plant form. This one's definitely the star of my collection. Thai Monstera loves bright indirect light to create this white pattern, and I can't wait to watch those unique patterns to develop as they grow. Next we have Aglaonema, which is also known as the Chinese evergreen. Actually, Thai people are experts in Aglaonema cloning and hybridization. In fact, many unique and beautiful cultivars of Aglaonemas are originated from Thai nurseries. You will get to see an incredible collection and colors of these Aglaonema plants here in Thailand. These varieties have capitative green pinkish bold foliage. I love its bushy and compact growth habit. You can see it's blooming now, but generally we grow Aglaonema for their pretty foliage, so it is necessary to cut these blooms because cutting flower helps the plant to focus its energy on new leaves production and improve overall growth of the plant. Next, this one has deep red color. I love this deep red bold foliage with dark green border. So gorgeous. This is another big variety of Aglaonema. This shade looks so refreshing and leaf pattern is also very different. Aglaonemas are classic, beautiful, low maintenance and colorful houseplants that come in dizzying array of colors from green to red, solid to speckled. There is type and size for every home. And this particular variety has unique eye-catching pink shade. So pretty. Each variety is so beautiful and unique. Aglaonemas are fantastic for indoor spaces with lower light levels and they are quite low maintenance. They will tolerate bit of neglect. If you are a beginner, you should definitely try this plant. And we also have detailed Aglaonema care video on our channel. If you are interested, you can check out that. I will share link in the description box. Alright, next is another beautiful and new plant for me. It is Philodendron Ring of Fire. The name alone make it sound magical, right? This philodendron shows bright fairy variegation on its long leaves that truly set it apart. Actually, when its new leaves unfurl, it's in orange shade. However, as the leaves mature, they will fade to green color. I am really happy with this plant because every week it is unfurling new leaves, and like other philodendron, it is also less demanding. Next, here is another my favorite wish list plant, the Philodendron Pink Princess. I wanted this plant for a long time and I'm so happy that I finally got it here. Just look at those gorgeous pink variegations on those dark green leaves. Normally the variegations is caused by the mutation in the plant. It can be white, cream or any color. In case of Pink Princess, it is pink in color. It is beautiful philodendron to add to your plant collection. Pink Princess is truly unique in the plant world. Now when it comes to caring for this beauty, she thrives in bright indirect light and can tolerate bit of lower light. But I learned that the more light it gets, the more sharper and brighter pink variegation it produces. Providing your Pink Princess philodendron with enough light is the most important factor influencing the amount of variegation it will have. Just make sure to not shine direct sunlight onto the plant, especially onto the pink leaves because they are prone to sunburn. This plant has moderate to fast growth rate. I brought this plant around 2 months back at this stage and now it's growing out of this bowl, and I guess that is the reason its leaf size also reducing, so I need to repot this in new pot with big moss stick. If you want plant that always showing off, then you should grow this plant. It is known as Epiprenum pinnatum marble. It is delightful plant with striking green and white marble leaves. These white variegated leaves are just gorgeous. I love this plant especially for its foliage pattern. It's an easy to care for trailing vine, a touch of nature's beauty, enhancing any space with elegance and simplicity. If you want more white leaves, then place it next to the window and give it more bright light. The growth rate of this plant is also quite good. It is growing so fast. Next, I have this Monstera esqueleto, another unique cultivar of Monstera. Just look at these big, huge leaves with unique skeleton pattern. I guess it looks similar to Monstera adansonii, Swiss cheese plant. 1 minute, I will get that plant also. So we have both the plants here. So what I found that Swiss cheese has smaller, greener and smoother leaves with small intricate or holes, and this one Esqueleto has bigger leaves which is light green in color, and it has leathery texture. I have read somewhere that Esqueleto can reach 2 feet long indoors. Let's see how it grows here. That's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video as much I enjoyed it with sharing with you. Still few plants are there which I will be showcasing in my upcoming videos, so stay tuned. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any updates on my new garden adventure. I'm really excited to take you guys along on this new beautiful journey. Let's grow together no matter where we are in the world. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and happy gardening.